Yeah, I tell you, there were a couple of things going on at the same time. One is we were seeing increased volumes with our bids coming in every month. We were doing roughly 10 to 15 when I first started 3 years ago. We just capped 50 last month. So our volume was increasing. We were using a Salesforce-based tool, which was acquired by Lupio. It was fine for what it did, but the project management side of it was giving us a lot of overhead. But more importantly, we had almost 10,000 question answer pairs that we had built into our library, and that required a lot of maintenance just because we're in a SaaS-based company, products changing constantly. So just the maintenance on those question answer pairs was breaking our back. In fact, it was such a heavy lift that the analysts were basically working outside the tool to get their jobs done. So we knew that we had to do something different. Our CEO wants us to leverage generative AI technology because we as a software platform ourselves are using a lot of generative AI technology. So he wanted us to start leveraging. And so we went out and started looking in the market, and we stumbled on SiftHub and ran a pretty extensive evaluation on it. And the results that we got back were very promising. So that's how we ended up our journey with SiftHub. I'll be honest, it was the people at SiftHub that really made the difference ultimately. I mean, technology certainly is going to solve the problem. And if you go to other vendors, they have similar technologies and similar stories. But as we started working with the SiftHub team, they were super responsive. They were very patient with us because we really put them through their paces because we had one shot at getting this right. And so we did an extensive evaluation period with them. They had to extend it a couple of times so we could do more testing, but just working with the SiftHub team ultimately made the difference. The technology had to be there, obviously, but the people we were engaged with were just easy to work with and, made the purchase decision pretty easy from our standpoint. Yeah, several. The first one, obviously, is we're able to do more with less. So, just making sure that we can absorb the increase in volume that we're getting. Like I said, we were doing 15 a month 3 years ago, and now we just hit 50 a month. So being able to absorb that volume without having to just hire a bunch of people to meet the demand. The accuracy that we're seeing on the responses on the first pass almost doubled from our previous tool that we were using. So we're in the mid 60s or low 70s from a first pass hit rate with no changes, which is pretty incredible given the complexity of our space. And then the collaboration that we're getting from other departments. So obviously, whenever we receive bids from a go-to-market standpoint, we have to reach out to various other departments, product, our InfoSec team, customer success, professional services, sales, engineering to get answers across our RFPs. And this allows them a tool that they can easily engage with and provide input back into the RFPs at a much quicker pace than we were in the past. Fast. Get things done fast. Suffering. Just the benefits that you're going to get out of using the latest technology and working with a world-class software. I think, ultimately the tool itself does exactly what it's supposed to do, but the support that we're getting and being able to put in enhancements and the interaction we're getting from the SiftHub team is, in my opinion, the plus one that everybody should think about. Buy it. It's a good tool. Like, in all seriousness, I think the right answer is do your homework, do your due diligence like we did. But I think you'll find that the technology stands up to what it's supposed to do, and your teams are going to benefit, and you'll have better efficiency and better technology than your competitors. So your bids will go out faster, quicker, with better quality.